Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am going to discuss the topic cell structure and function. You have already learnt that things around us are either living or non-living. In our surrounding we see different kinds of things. Some are living things and some are non-living things. You you may recall that all living organisms carry out certain basic functions. What are they? Respiratory systems, digestive system, etc. And different sets of organs perform the various functions. Different organs work in different and various functions. In this chapter, you shall learn about the basic structural unit of an organ. Okay, in this chapter, we learn the basic structural unit of an organ, which is the cell. Okay, cell may be compared to the bricks. For example, we take one example, cell compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organisms. Okay, first we discuss discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed the slices of cork under a simple magnification device. So Robert Hooke discovered of the cell in 1665. Okay, and next we discuss cell. What is cell? Bricks in a building and cells, the living organisms, are basic structural units. Bricks in a building and cells in the living organisms are basic structural units. The building built of similar bricks have different designs, shapes and sizes. Similarly, in the living world, living organisms differ from one another, but all are made of cells. Okay, for example, animals and human beings, we are looking different, say sizes and shapes and difference. Okay, cells in the living organisms are complex living structures unlike non-living bricks. Okay, cells are different types. Okay, for example, our structure, shape and size are depend cells. Okay, and next we discuss difference between single and multicellulars. And first we discuss single cell. A unique cellular organisms, also known as a single cell organisms, is an organism that consists of a single cell. Single cell, for example, algae, amoeba, paramecium, these are the for examples of the single cell. Why? These types of living things made by only one types of cells. Okay, so these are called the single cells, single cellular. Okay, and next we discuss multicellular. Multi mean many, cellular means cells. Okay, and organisms made of more than one cell are called multicellular. For example, animals, human beings, plants, these are the examples of the multicellular. Why? These are made by more cells. Okay, okay children, I understand what is cell, discover of the cell, and what is the difference between single cell and multicellular. Next class we discuss cell structures and functions. Okay, thank you all of you.